Welcome to. What's my dog eating? Look at Chipotle. He's eating the tall grass.
Chip, stop eating the grass.
So, video continuity will not be the most important thing for this channel. We lost the footage for our intro yesterday. So, yesterday I built the framework of our duck tractor. We wanted a way we could move the ducks across the grass and have them kind of eat up the bugs and not be stuck in one area. So I built this yesterday so that we can move our ducks here and kind of keep them on the lawn as much as possible. But welcome to something today. I also forget the name of my own channel from time to time. Let's try this again. Welcome to Someday Today. Making your some days today. This is a duck tractor. All right, so found the wood. Now we're gonna cut it down to size. We're going 6 feet by 3 feet, approximately. The width boards I have are not 3 feet, they're 33 inches, and they're already all cut at 33, so I'm not going to argue. And then these ones are a little over 6 feet. So I'm gonna cut these down to 6 feet and then screw everything to those 4x4s right there. And that'll make my frame, and then wrap my frame with fencing. Piecing together the Quail tractor, and it got a little dark. Well, his lightsaber is a great light, so I just put it on top of the Quail tractor, and I'm cutting the chicken wire. Every time I cut, it makes a noise. And that's how you make a chicken, that's how you make a Quail tractor with a lightsaber.
Wondering, why did Jason build a duck tractor if they're only going to put the ducks in a quail tractor? Why even have a quail tractor? The reason was Jason originally was trying to finish the duck tractor and it got dark before we could finish it. So he went ahead and made the quail tractor and we put the ducks in it for now until we finish up with the duck tractor. So that's the whole confusion between the duck tractor and the quail tractor. Eventually we'll get Quail and kick the ducks out into the bigger tractor, but for now it'll work and we were just trying to get everything done before it got dark. Can I please